In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get membership screening on Discord. Discord now calls this rules screening, and it lets you require new members to agree to your server rules before they can participate in your community. On a computer, open Discord and select your server. Once you click into it, you should see your server channels on the left and the server name at the very top of that column. Make sure you are on the server where you want to add membership screening, not a different one, so the changes apply in the right place. Now click the server name in the upper left. A menu will drop down under that name with several options. This is the same menu you use for things like inviting people or changing basic server settings, so you may use it often later. From that menu, select Server Settings. When the settings window opens, you will see a list of sections on the left and details on the right. If you do not see server settings, you probably do not have the Manage Server permission, which is required to control rules screening. If Community is not enabled, select Enable Community and complete the setup. Discord will walk you through a short checklist here, usually across a few screens. Common items include setting a rules channel and agreeing to Discord's community guidelines, and you will see checkmarks appear as you finish each requirement. After that, go back to Server Settings. You can use the back arrow at the top or just reopen Server Settings from the Server Name menu. When you return, the left sidebar will now include extra options that only appear on community servers, which means you are ready to configure rules screening. Next, open Safety Setup. This section focuses on how your server handles new members, spam, and automated protection. On the right side, you will see different cards and toggles grouped under safety features, including what controls membership screening. Find DM and spam protection. It should be a clear section inside Safety Setup, usually with a short description about blocking spammy direct messages and suspicious behavior. This is where Discord places the option that forces people to accept your rules. Select Edit. A new panel or page will appear with more detailed options, and the background will usually dim slightly. Any change you make here affects how new members can talk or send direct messages when they join. Turn on Members must accept rules before they can talk or DM. The toggle should change color and move to the on position. Once this is active, brand new members will be restricted automatically until they go through the rules screening flow. Click Get Started. Discord now opens the rules creation screen, which often has a preview of what new members will see. You might notice sample text or an empty list where your future rules will appear once you add them. Add your server rules. You can create up to 16 rules. Each rule usually has a short title and a description, so keep them clear and direct. For example, you might have a rule about staying respectful, another about no spam, and another covering what content is not allowed. Click Save and enable the rules screening option. You should see a quick confirmation, and your rules list will now show as active in that area. From this point on, every new member must pass through the rules screen to fully join. When someone joins, Discord will ask them to read and agree to your server rules. Until they accept, they cannot talk, react, or DM other server members, and once they do accept, they instantly gain the normal access level you configured. So now you have rules screening set up to protect your Discord community before people start talking. And if this helped you lock down your server rules, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more Discord tips.